Now let's look at another feature that you could use inside head, which is a link tag. Now, if you want to use an external font or an external material, you could just link to that. Now, I'll show you an example. Now, Google has something called the material icons. Now, these are all icons that Google provides. Now, we can use this icon in our page. So what I'm going to do is, so any external party that would want to use its resources, they will actually provide documentation on how to use their resources. So here they have mentioned how to set up using Google font. So they have like multiple methods, self-hosting, and self-hosting is for those looking to self-host a web font. So host icon font in a location, for example, you could have it in your website too, in your location too. So instead of that, let's try to host this from Google. Okay. So this is the link that Google provides. I'm going to add this here. So just look at this link. This link says href is the remote location, fonts.googleapis.com. It says that there is a location, and that location there is a style sheet. Now you have linked that Google fonts to your document, to your HTML document. Now, I mean, you could also call your HTML page as HTML document. Now I'm going to use a sample icon, which is this. Now this is, it says it's a span. Within span, there's a class. We'll see in future what a class is. Material icons, and then say it's a face. Okay. We'll see how it works. See, this looks like a face, right? So this is from the Google icons. Now, when you say face and the class is material icons, this link will actually look for a class called material icons. Within the class called material icons, it look for the face icon. So that's how it is being fetched. Now there must be more icons to see. Let's say now you also have this fonts option. Like how we did for the icon, you could also do it for the fonts. The list is already here. So the list is already here. So I want to add an icon called favorite. Oops, I used a different spelling. Favorite, you get it. You get it here. Let me try. Okay. See, you're not gonna create the fonts for your website yourself because it's gonna take a huge amount of time. So Google is providing all this fonts that you could use, like with just calling its name. No, I just called it by its name called favorite. I'm gonna say sync alt. What's happened? Maybe it's all small. Oh, yeah. So it should be all small. Backspace. Backspace. So the link tag inside a head is used to link any external resource to your HTML document.